Hello traders and welcome to another video analysis. Today is Thursday, the 8th of October 2020, and we are going to take a look at the Forex calendar, and then we are going to see according Forex pairs to see what is going on there, and maybe we'll do some trading plan for for some nice and important Forex pairs. So let's just take a look at the calendar. We already missed the Bank of Japan Governor Hariko Kuroda's speech because it was at 3 o'clock. So we are going to take a look at the American dollar Japanese yen pair to see what is going on there after the speech was given. And then it's kind of important to take a look at another speaker. We have Chairman Thomas Jordan from Swiss National Bank. His speech is scheduled for 11:30 a.m. So it might be kind of interesting to see what the chairman has to say and how this speech will impact the Swiss currency. So the franc, for example. So we are going to take a look on the American dollar and the Swiss franc pair as well. So these two events that one already passed are the most important events for today, and that's why we are going to take a look at the dollar to yen and dollar to Swiss franc. So let's start with the dollar to Swiss franc. As you can see here, I got some chart from that was made on the daily time frame, and as you can see here, kind of important things are going on right now on this chart. So I have a Fibonacci retracement of the last wave down. So this is, as you can see here, this is the low for this wave down. It was made at the level of 0.8998. So almost at the 0.9, and 61% of the retracement of the last wave down has been made at the 0.9289. So as you can see here, the market hit this retracement in three waves: wave A, wave B, and wave C. So this looks like a corrective pullback or a typical corrective cycle towards 61% of the Fibonacci retracement. And then at the top of this move, we got the bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. As you can see here, clear indication of a retracement, of a reversal, excuse me. And then, as you can see, we are going down with the projected target somewhere around the level of 0.91. And as you can see, I have marked this line in orange, which is typical color for me when I'm marking the trend line. As you can see, we got almost this trend line hit. We got hit. This is like I don't know, possibly 5 pips miss. So I've just put my blue arrow here anyway, but the low was made at 0.9131. so as you can see here, we got this nice green candle, and the last two candles are low volatility candles, and they are, as you can see, both of them so far are red. The local technical resistance is seen at the level of 0.9180, which is this blue line, and then a little bit more, a little bit higher, there is a 0.92, 0.3, another technical resistance, and then of course we got still this 61% Fibonacci retracement. The most important technical resistance is seen at the level of 0.9377, which is this level. So as long as the US dollar trades below this level, it's still being considered as in a downtrend, right? So we got the bounce, we have corrected the bounce towards the level of 0.9131. If we will break below this trend line, then of course the bearish pressure will most likely intensify, and then the bears might push the price lower towards 0.9050, which is this technical support here. The most important technical support, on the other hand, is seen at the level of 0.8998, which is basically the level of 0.90. This is the support from the beginning of the September 2020. If violated, then of course we will get the price lower. As you can see, around this top of this corrective cycle, when the bearish engulfing pattern has been made, the market went high as well on the momentum. So this momentum touched the level of 70, which is a level, a boundary level, a line in the sand, for example, for the overbought market. So very nice indication of three different signals. First one was the 61% Fibonacci retracement, then the bullish engulfing pattern, and then we got this overbought levels on the RSI indicator. So very nice setup was here. Right now there is no that nice setup right now, but we can still observe the lows of the Tuesday, and then we will see how the market will react if it gets to this trend line, because any breakout below the trend line is a signal, and is a signal for the market participants as well. So that's everything from US dollar, Swiss franc. Let's just take a look at the US dollar and the Japanese yen, so we can see what is going on. I've just made this analysis, I think it was like a day ago, and I have indicated this level of 105.82 because the price was below this level, and I said to be careful because there might be a breakout. As you can see, I have even marked this breakout on this chart using this arrow. As you can see, we got the breakout. Now what we can expect is some kind of a pullback, or maybe some kind of a small correction towards 105.82, and then I think this market has still room to go higher towards the 106.55. so this is the target level for the bulls, and but this is not the most important technical resistance for the US dollar Japanese yen, because this resistance is around here, around the level of 107.3, because it's very close to this long-term trend line resistance as well. So right now bulls are in charge of the market, they control it, they might push it higher towards these two mentioned levels, but the most important one for now in the short term is 107.3 because of this trend line. As you can see, this breakout above 105.82 has been supported by the momentum. There is a momentum behind this move, so if bulls will still made a pressure on the bears, most likely they will succeed in pushing this price a little bit higher. Of course, the key is still breaking above the trend line, because right now, as you can see, it looks something like that, right? So breakout above the trend line will likely change the sentiment, overall sentiment that has been present on this market since the lows of the March, as you can see here. Then of course we have almost retraced everything, but if we will make some kind of a V-shape reversal, some kind of a nice sentiment shift, then of course American dollar will be preferred, it will appreciate, and then the next levels, next targets will be hit. The next targets are 108.18 and of course 109.88. So right now we are just waiting for the continuation of this move higher on the American dollar and the Japanese yen. So I think this is everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this short analysis, and see you guys next time. Take care. Bye bye.